This is how you can easily hide and unhide apps on iPhone. And of course, we are able to do this after the release of iOS 18. Now I'm going to go with Instagram, right? Tap and hold on the app, right? And then tap on the second option, which is require Face ID, right? And then the second option, again, hide and require Face ID. And that's it. Just tap on hide app and it's gone. Now, where to find it, right? Now, scroll right, swipe to like left, and then go to the app library. In the very bottom of this page, there is a we say folder called Hidden. Tap on it, and then right after the Face ID, right, you're able, okay, to see the hidden apps available in this folder, right? Now, just tap on it, and then you're able, right, to open the app. And of course, sometimes you want to unhide the hidden apps, okay? So this is how to unhide it. Now, tap again on the app, right? That is hidden. And then tap on the second option, which says don't require Face ID, right? And the app is no longer in the hidden folder. Now I'm going back, right, to the home page, right? That we can say the app was here, right? But I cannot find it. So how to find the hidden apps, all right, that, or we can say how to find the unhidden apps, all right? So scroll down, go to the search, write down, right, the name of the app, right? Tap on the app and then add to home screen. And here we go. Now the app is back to the home page, right? You see, or to the screen, right? And this is how easily you can and quickly you can hide and unhide apps on iPhone after the release of iOS 18.